Most small businesses fail, not because of a bad idea, but because of a broken system. Here's how to avoid that. If you want to build a business that runs smoothly without consuming your life, The E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber is the guide you need. It explains why most businesses fail and how to set yours up for success. Here's how it works. Step 1. Work on your business, not just in it. Most small business owners get stuck doing everything themselves. Successful businesses run on systems, not just hard work. Step 2. Build systems that scale. The best businesses create repeatable processes so they don't rely on one person to keep them running. Step 3. Think like a franchise. Even if you don't plan to franchise, design your business so that someone else could run it successfully without you. If you're tired of feeling trapped in your business, this book will show you how to create freedom while scaling successfully. If you're serious about growth, hit that follow button. And if you want to grab the E-Myth Revisited for free, the link in bio takes you straight to Audible, where they're offering a free trial right now. Take advantage and start listening today.